Tiramisu. Here are the ingredients. A little of this, a little of that, some of this. Watch the video. Ma, you said push sugar. Tell me when to stop.
Don't.
No, tell me when to stop. You're not telling me when to stop.
We gotta measure.
You need some mascarpone. You need these savoiardi. What's the blender for? Bacardi white rum, 40% alcohol, because we want to get drunk when we're eating dessert. We need a half a cup of sugar. Sugar in the bowl. Half a cup of sugar. We need 6 eggs. Man, you got a lot of pans there. Oh look, you're in size order. Daddy bear, the mama bear, the baby bear, the baby bear, the baby bear. What's the blender for? What's the blender for?
I'm not talking.
You just said something. So now we're separating the egg white and the egg yellow. Get your mom out the gutter. Not what it looks like. It's egg yolk. 6 eggs separated. Alright, my favorite part, the rum. Oh yeah. Ma, what's the blender for? Oh, dirty. You gotta plug it in if you want to use the blender. What's the blender for? Oh, that's what the blender's for. I have to blend it until it becomes this cream color. Now we're adding in the whole container of the mascarpone.
This, you gotta melt it slowly.
And you do that, you're gonna smush it until it's all even. She's trusting me with the blender. Here goes. We're gonna beat the egg white constantly in a circular motion. She's done making noise. Or not. So now we're gonna slowly, I guess, like that. Mix it like that. Slowly roll it over. It looks beautiful. Step 1, dunk the cookies in the coffee and put it in the tray. Now coat the first layer with the cream. We got the cocoa doctor. How's the patient doing? Now we coat the cheese cream thing with cocoa.
Never press the cookies when you do the layers.
Abagna. And now we put the second layer of the mascarpone. Make sure again you cover all the open areas. And then the final step, some more cacao. And that's it, it's done. Coat it and you put it in the fridge for a day.